Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Thread programming in Java allows you to execute multiple threads concurrently, which can help improve the performance of your applications and make them more responsive. In this tutorial, I will cover the basics of thread programming in Java, including creating threads, the life cycle of a thread, synchronization, and some important thread-related classes. ####1 Creating threads. In Java, you can create threads in two main ways. By extending the thread class. By implementing the runnable interface. ###### Using the thread class. Here's a simple example of creating a thread by extending the thread class. ##### Using the runnable interface. Here's how to create a thread by implementing the runnable interface. ####2 Thread lifecycle. A thread in Java can be in one of the following states. New, a thread that has been created but not yet started. Runnable, a thread that is ready to run but is waiting for CPU time. Blocked, a thread that is blocked waiting for a monitor lock. Waiting, a thread that is waiting indefinitely for another thread to perform a particular action. Timed waiting, a thread that is waiting for another thread to perform an action for up to a specified waiting time. Terminated, a thread that has exited. ####3 Synchronization. When multiple threads access shared resources, synchronization is necessary to prevent data inconsistency. You can synchronize methods or blocks of code. #####synchronized method. ####synchronized block. Using synchronized blocks can provide more fine-grained control over the synchronization. ###4 Thread communication. Threads can communicate with each other using methods like wait, notify, and notify all. These methods must be called from within a synchronized context. ###5 Important thread classes. Java provides several important classes for thread management. Thread represents a thread of execution. Runnable represents a task that can be executed by a thread. Executor service provides a higher level replacement for managing threads. Future represents the result of an asynchronous computation. ###example using executor service. Here's an example of using executor service to manage threads. ###conclusion. Thread programming in Java is a powerful way to improve the performance and responsiveness of applications. By understanding how to create threads, manage their life cycle, synchronize access to shared resources, and use higher-level abstractions like executor service, you can effectively work with concurrency in Java. Feel free to experiment with the provided examples and expand your knowledge of threading concepts.